Hey guys! In the second part of our drum tuning tutorial, we already talked about the three main tom sound characteristics, being same pitch in both drum heads, or higher bottom head for more projection and sustain, or lower bottom head for more attack and a little pitch bend effect. However, I thought it might be an awesome idea to have a little ABC comparison going on here, but without changing the overall pitch of the drum. Feel free to copy the exact same tunings and see how they work out with your own 12-inch tom. As always, comment, like, and subscribe for more drum hacks. Bye!